सेबी चेयरमैन इस वक्त संबोधित कर रहे हैं। वो क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, आइए सुनते हैं।
Specified at 10% of the corpus of the fund or of the AUM in case of retail schemes. This is actually varying in the FPI regulations, varying from the regulations of IFSCA. So this has been brought in alignment with that. Then overseas mutual funds and the trust, unit trust registering as FPI may be permitted to have Indian mutual funds as a constituent subject to the conditions as mentioned in the circular dated November 4, 2024. So we have already permitted, SEBI has already permitted the mutual funds to be constituent of the FPIs who are registered as overseas MFs who are registered as FPIs in IFSCA. But FPI regulations had not been amended, so this has been now amended to this will be amended to ensure that that particular dispensation will now will be made operational. Now the next scheme is to give a regulatory fillip to accredited investors in AIFs. If you please recall that in the last meeting we had press meet also, we had mentioned this, that accredited investors need to be, because they are investors who are, having three kinds of investors are there, as you know. AI accredited investors can, the eligibility conditions are 7.5 crore net worth, or out of which 50% is financial net worth, or 2 crore income, or 5 crore net worth plus 1 crore income. Either of the criteria, they can be called as accredited investors. They have to be registered. Now, we are now proposing a definition of, we are actually making amendments for the AIF regulations to provide for AI-only funds. That means the specific schemes for AI-only under the AIF. This will provide relaxations because AI we consider as who know the risks better, and AIF schemes, as you also know, that AIF window is more like for those who understand risk, they can come to the AIF. So therefore, we can provide for more relaxed regulation for AI-only funds, which includes exemption from pari passu requirement, extension of tenure to be permitted up to 5 years from 2 years, exemption from NISM certification requirement for key investment team of AIF manager, exemption from restriction on number of investors in a scheme. So then the second part of the proposal is that we have a large value funds where additional flexibilities are being extended, reduction of minimum investment amount in large value funds by investors from 70 crore Indian rupees to 25 crore Indian rupees, and exempting large value funds from responsibility on members if investment committee set up by manager of AIF to approve decisions of AIF. So another point is that we can provide option to existing AIF schemes to convert themselves to AI-only schemes or LVF schemes to avail the benefit subject to meeting conditions specified by SEBI.
तो सेबी के चेयरमैन तुहिन कांत पांडे इस वक्त सेबी बोर्ड मीटिंग का आउटकम शेयर कर रहे थे।